All right, hey y'all, welcome back to the Nut House. How you doing? Okay, so today what we gonna do here on this here crazy nutty nail show, we gonna try some products out. We gonna start doing something a little different around up in here. Okay, we gonna start making this here Monday, and we gonna turn Monday into a fun day. Okay, because we already know how Mondays can be a whatever day anyway. So yeah. Hold on, let me get a squig of my coffee over here. It's my lovely juice. Just to get me on top of the world juice right there, baby. Anyway, so look at here. We're gonna try out this product today. And what I want to try out here right here is this here, Madam Glam's. This here is a soak-off builder gel. We're gonna put this here to the test, honey. And we're gonna see today, is this a nay or a yay? Is it worth your coins, girl, or is it worth the trash? We're gonna see, all right? Look here, I got my thumb right here, and I'm gonna test it out on my thumb real fast, all right? Okay, hold on, I got this here little form too. This is a, what you call one of them, the clear form things. And, shoot. Hey, my nails is dirty up under here. Hold on, y'all, let me go scratch on some soap. It happens to the best of us. Okay, but look here, yeah, so I'm gonna use a product today, and I'm gonna let you know if it's worth your coins, girl. If it's worth you saving your coins or spending your coins on this here product. As I already know, honey, because I done been there, and I still be there. I ain't even gonna tell you no story, child. I be watching, I be like, wait a minute, hold on. I need to see some more reviews. So I'll go ahead and spend my coin touchers, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to go ahead and spend my money on stuff, and I don't know if it's gonna work good or not. But look at here. I am not here to tell you any fibbers. All right, I'm gonna give you the real. All right, and I'm gonna be product testing things that I had purchased with my own cointages over here, and I'm also gonna be producting things that folks have given me. All right, now, but the truth of the matter is, I'm gonna give you the real. I'm gonna give you the truth. Okay, so look at here. I got this here little form thing here. This is one of them clear form things here. I purchased these here off AliExpress. I will try my best to find the link to these forms if they still have them up and selling, because I purchased these here over a year or so, maybe 2 years ago, however, whatever. But I'm pretty sure they still have them on the site. Okay, I'm gonna try and slide it on this old jacked up thumb of mine. Now, ooh, yeah, I should have probably filed this nail down. See, that's what I say, y'all gonna get my mistakes over here. I'm sorry. I hope y'all can stomach the mistakes. If you can't, go ahead and tune on off and go to somebody who's a little bit more uniform. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some gel nails. I'm going to be doing a review on this product, and it's called a builder gel, and it's by Madam Glam. Okay, all right, look at here. This is what's gonna happen. We got this here product. It's called Madam Glam, and this is what we're gonna be using right here. We're gonna see if it's a nail. Yeah, we're gonna see if you need to save your cointages, girl. You need me to slow down? Okay. I'm gonna be doing a product review on this here gel polish. This here is a builder gel, and this is by Madam Glam. Okay, now I'm here to give you my honest and straight up wholehearted opinion on this stuff, whether you need to know to save your coins, or whether you need to know, girl, you run out there and go buy this here. We gonna see today. All right, yeah. I know I just gave y'all 3 different personalities, maybe 4, but that's what you get on this nutty show. I'm sorry, that's what you get over here. That's what you gonna get. That's what you gonna get, girl. Oh yeah, you gonna get the authenticity over here. Everything over here is authenticity, besides these fake nails. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna leave the jokes alone. I'm gonna just go ahead and try and go in with this here product. Okay, so look here. I got this form here on my thumb, and I already went and put some old dehydrator stuff on here. I don't want to put a primer on here, but I'm going to have to, because I said I'm going to show y'all how this stuff works. Excuse these nails. I already did these nails. I did these nails with some poly gel the other day. I just never got around to, decorating them on anything, because something came up and I had to boogie. I had to move real fast, so, yeah. Okay, let me find a primer here. I'm going to go in with this here OPI primer here, okay? And I'm going to put this here, apply this here to the thumb before I apply this builder gel, okay? So I don't know if Builder Gel has its own primer. I don't know. But I know this primer works for gels and acrylics. Alright, so let's get on with the get on here. And now let's see what it do here. Let's see what it do. It's rather thick. I'm not going to do a whole set of these nails. We're just going to go in with this here one. Okay. I'm going to start right here in my free edge. I'm going to try and walk it down to maybe number 5. That should do it. So I'm going to line it up around the outside first. Now it may just be a square, and then I'm going to try and look, I act like I can't walk and chew bubblegum at the same time. I'm all stuck on stupid here. I'm lost for words. I'm going to try and shape it when I file it, okay? So that's what we're going to do. But I'm going to try and outline it here into maybe a square to number 5 here. And then I'm going to cure this here. And then we're going to go into building this sucker up. Alright. I think I got it where I want it. Hold on. Let me go in a little bit more. Alright. Now I'm going to cure this here for maybe, what it say, 30 seconds on the bottle. Yep, 30 seconds. So I'm going to cure this here for 30 seconds in my LED. And then I'm going to come right back. Alright, y'all, in a minute. Alright, it's looking a little crazy right now, but I'm going to go in again. Because it started running on me when I put it in the lamp. But that's my own fault because I didn't have my finger, my thumb here positioned the right way when I went up under that lamp. So I'm going to go in again around my free edge here. I'm going to paint it on here like some polish just to thicken it up before I just take the film completely off and build my nail bed here. Alright. So keep in mind, I'm going to file all this stuff. I'm going to file it back. I'm going to get in here with some more. I'm going to try and put it right here just to build it up on that free edge just a little bit here. Okay. Alright, let me go in this here lamp before it start running all over the place again. It's pretty thick though. I guess you probably got to work a little slower if you don't want those bubbles in there, because it got little bubbles. But again, that's my fault because I was moving too fast. Hold on, let me cure it. Okay, I done went in twice on my free edge and the tip area here. Let me take this here off. Should be thick enough. I don't know, but we're going to go ahead and build this sucker up. And we're going to cure it and file it. Now let me try and see if I can get myself an apex here. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I got a couple bubbles going on up in here, but I plan to polish over this, so really don't matter. If you're gonna wear them clear, I suggest you try not to get those bubbles in your nails. Alright, I'm gonna cure this here, and this should be it. I'm gonna hold it upside down for a minute so it can level itself. Uh-oh, it's blurry. Am I blurry? Yeah, I'm blurry. Hold on, blurry, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it upside down so it can level itself. Now let me cure it. I'll be right back for another 30 seconds here. Alright, y'all. Now I'm gonna go in now with this here. This is Cleanser Plus. I got this here off of eBay, AliExpress. I don't know, some years back. But yeah. It's supposed to take off the sticky layer of your gel. Okay, so I'm gonna use this here and wipe it off here real good. Take the tackiness off. Okay, now it look a little funky right now, but I'm gonna try and file it down, and we're gonna see what we come up with real fast here. Now I'm gonna go in with a hand file. I'm not gonna use a drill, a e-file, or anything like that, because this is gel, and gel is so much easier to file than acrylics. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. This here is the finished results here. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me squirt it here with some with something. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna squirt it with this here disinfectant spray stuff here, just to get this here dust off. Well, actually I can just brush this dust off. Let me see. Okay. Now. Okay. There you go. Alright, let me try to let me put a top coat on here. Let's see how clear it is. How about that? Let's see how Madam Glam Builder Gel, how clear Madam Glam Builder Gel is. Hold on, let me get that top coat. Alright, we got Madam Glam's Soak Off No White Top Gel Coat. Let's go in and see what it do. Okay, now this is how clear the gel is, okay, with the top coat. I should have did this here before we added the top coat, but you know, hey, we make some mistakes over here. But this is how clear it is, guys, okay? So now, would I recommend this here? I really would. And the reason why I would recommend this here, this is my pros and my cons about this here, okay? And how about that? Let's do the pros first. I would say I would recommend this here because it's so much easier to apply than to be applying those gels that come in the jars like this here, and you have to use a brush like this here, okay? It's more convenient being in a bottle because you can lay it just like a fingernail polish. You can lay it like a fingernail polish with this here too. It's just all your preference, all right? But yeah. Now my cons is that I don't know how much gel is in here, supposed to how much gel they have in them little jars right there. So I don't know how many sets you can get out of this. But the jar do feel rather full, to be honest with you, you know. And you just, you know what I'm saying? But you say, you little dumb behind can't explain nothing right, can you? Nope, I can't. Sure can't, honey. When it comes to stuff like that, I can't explain nothing right to you. Look. Anyway. Tell you, y'all gonna get it over here. Y'all gonna get it. I don't even care, honey. Look, check it out. So. I can't stop laughing. Anyway, look. Alright, so yeah. I don't know how much come in them little jars, no more than how much I know come in this here little jar bottle right here, okay? But I do recommend this here, so I would give this a yay. And the reason why I would give it a yay is because, girl, look how thick that is. Now, I know my Apex is not all that, you know, great or whatever have you. The nail may be a little flat for some, but you know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to tell you like this here. The sturdiness of this here gel polish, girl, is just as good as a nail tip. So, yeah, I would highly recommend this here one. Because, you know, you can use some gels. I don't know about y'all, but I have used some gels. And, honey, you would think it's like rubber band liquid in that jar. You'd be like, why is this gel so flimsy? But this here one is really, really hard, like a concrete hard. But it's good as a nail tip. So, yeah, I would say yay, yay, yay with this here one right here, okay? Now, I hope this was just as much fun for you as it was for me, y'all. Because I really enjoyed putting this here little product to the test. Okay, so now what we going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get ready to design these here nails. Let me put some cuticle oil on my nails, girl, because I'm over here looking crunchy. Hold on. Told you I applied some polygel to these nails the other day. And they is the boof. Girl, they lifting and everything. Hold on. They ain't doing too good over here. They not doing too good over here, y'all. I don't know. That was a whole new polygel brand, too, that I use. It's some name, girl. I don't even know the name of that name. And I call myself trying to put it to the test, girl, before I came to do a review. I think I'm going to have to get in touch with these folks and be like, look at here. I'm not about to review your product, and it's just not right. I forget the name of it. It's some kind of wicky wacky name. I don't know, honey, but, yeah. I'm not even about to show y'all because I don't want to be trying to put no companies down or whatever. But yes, they polygel, and I tell you, I guess everybody trying to come out with a brand or something. But everything is just not everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna just try to do something to these here little polygel nails and a design on them. And yeah, my next video I'm gonna try and design these here things in on camera here. All right, because I'm talking, I'm all over the place here, so let me go on here, y'all. Like I say, I hope today was a fun day. I hope it was just as fun for you as it was for me, and I'm gonna get back with y'all with a whole nother other video. All right, y'all, I'm out. Woo.